I can tell you that in the 15 years or in the 14 years we have worked to get the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act passed, there is no opportunity where I have spoken to 10 men and women, and out of them, 6 or 7 would be either a Papa Uche or a Mama Uche. So it is with us. I'm not going to, like she said, do a lecture. But when you speak of advocacy, why do we want to do advocacy around the VAPP Act today or any time, or gender-based violence? It's because, one, gender-based violence is a timeless event because we are operating a human institution, that is, a human institution of relationships between men and women, boys and men, girls and women, society and us. The second reason is also that we have constructs within our communities and our psyche. Our socialization will not change overnight because we have laws. It needs to be a deliberate thing that we all do as men and women, mothers and fathers, husbands and wives. The third reason why we must continue and why we must advocate is that a law is only a piece of paper. It needs to be given life. And the only way you can give it life is when people understand its content, are incentivized by its benefits, and have capacity to use it to access justice. Sorry, I'm not a lawyer, but I think I will pass for that interpretation. It is and the Honorable Commissioner of Police. So, for us to ensure that this law helps us to curb violence against women, it means people need to know it is there. And I take liberty to inform you that at the 2015 NBA conference, I was shocked. A room filled with almost 6,000 people, or rather, more than, the International Conference Center, I don't know how much the capacity is. But when I asked, how many of them have heard about the Violence Against Prohibition Act? It was a very low, how many? Now for me, that was a danger signal, that advocacy just has to start like yesterday. Because that is the constituency where we are looking for respite. Access to justice is such an expensive game in this country. It is not something that women with their low income have the capacity to access. So if we want to incentivize lawyers